We have to practice. Yes. So think that observability is like cooking a meal. Cooking. When you're in the kitchen, you need to know how each ingredient is behaving, how is the temperature of the stove, or if your sauce is thickened enough. In the same way, observability in software gives you a clear view of how all the components are working together. It provides you the ingredients, metrics, logs, and traces, and the tools, dashboard, and alerts. If something goes wrong, you can quickly spot it, adjust, and ensure the final dish, your application.
Y aquí, las dos
Sure that all is cooking the right way and turn it out perfectly, just like a recipe. So what I mean here, it's all about knowing what is happening in every step to make sure you deliver a quality product. A comer!